Hey guys, it's Percy148 and we're playing Super Smash Mobs. But it's me and Jack and or Farmer Chug. Farmer Chug, sorry. Sorry, Farmer.
Ow.
This guy named Cracker, not Cracker, Firecracker is a hacker.
I killed him.
And
no, I didn't. What?
We came to show you that he is a hacker. Not him. The creeper, I think. I think that's him. Oh, is it? Are you the creeper, Jack?
I'm creeper. Sorry. I know that's first, right?
But yeah, he hacks. The Cracker of Fire.
MKY.
Oh shit. But yeah, I just want to show you that Firecracker52 hacks. He was and there goes Farmer. Bye, Farmer. Or I think I was Farmer. Farmer, watch out.
I added a step call. It's up to him to pick up. Bastard.
Look at that! You cannot fly at that. You cannot walk at that speed. And do not call me freaking a noob, because no, that's a noob. I'm trying to kill him and die at the same time, so I can show you more without him seeing me. Sitting over there. Look at
I sent him a contact request.
Look at that! Watch this! Watch this! Watch this right there. He's hacking.
Ah, you're right. Creeper is fairly helpful. The guy needs to pick up. And that was not Firefly he's using.
I know. Look at that! Did you see him? You guys watching it? Of course you guys are watching this scene. He is a hacker.
You're like 16 subscribers. Nope.
You the people that actually care about my life. Look at that! I'm pretty sure Firefly cannot help you that much. And he's probably gonna fly up here. Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! That is pure hacking right there, folks. And I'm sorry, I just had to turn around my mic. I don't know why, but it was backwards.
Look at him!
Yeah, look at him!
I'm watching him hack.
I know. I'm
watching him hack.
I'm hacking. I'm hacking. No, I'm not. I'm watching him.
Why is Firefly? You're a hacker.
Yeah.
Just watch him. He's flying. If you look carefully, he's flying.
Look at that. Look at that. Watch the ground. Watch the ground.
Oh, I guess you can't really tell right now.
Yeah, he's just standing there. Look at that! That is hacking!
I took screenshots.
That is hacking right there, folks. That's pure 100% hacking. I'm going to creeper. I'm Percy148.
I told him to accept the Skype, but I don't know if he will.
Hacker. You fucking hacker. You should be a creeper with me, Farm. Zip Farmer.
I don't know if he will.
Be creeper with me, Zip Farmer. Oh my gosh, I'm surrounded by Fs. Farmer Chuck, Firecracker, and FGFJ. I'm the only P in here. That sounds kind of weird, but it's true. Here comes another episode of hacking.com, or whatever the hell you call this.
He won't accept it.
Oh shit, he's coming after me!
Fly, Rocket, go!
Going for it.
Jump. Jump. Oh.
Do you see him running like that? I think that was him. See, that's Farmer Joe. That's... Oh, shit! You look so weird.
Slime minion, go!
Did you throw it?
Wow.
Oh, there it is. Please tell me I'm the only one who thinks that's cheating. He killed me.
I'm scared. All I know, I'm scared.
That's me.
Hey! Oh no, wait, that's you.
Look at that! Pure hacking right there, folks. I'm scared. I am purely scared. Look at that! I wish I had Optifine right now so I could zoom in. Oh shoot! I tried to use explosive leap. It's me. Don't hurt me.
I'm not. Don't let you do that. He's got all protection. Wait, that was his
I'm not the only one who sees this, or am I being freaking hypnotized or something?
Ow.
You can't run when you're being exploded. 2, look at that. Pure
Dude, I
hacking.
wanted to pick up on Skype.
Pure hacking.
Fuck it.
Slime slam him.
Jump the edge.
Slime slam him.
I'm gonna slime slam him.
Hacks.
Haha. Bastard. That is so cheap.
Yeah. Look at that. Well, guys, that is hacking with Firecracker. And he just quit, so woohoo! See you next time with Percy148.
Oh, yay!
And
he
probably
Farmer
Joe.
quit.
Yeah, bye.